When logic fails you and what to do instead. Ever tried to logic your way out of a fight and made it worse? Or overanalyzed a decision until you froze? The human mind doesn't run on formulas, it runs on feelings. Let's talk about 3 times logic fails you and how to work with your emotions instead of against them. 1. Relationships. When fixing makes things worse. Science shows when someone's upset and you jump to solutions, they feel dismissed. Emotions need validation first. Try, "That sounds really hard. I get why you'd feel that way." Then, ask if they even want advice. Relationship fix, the listening hack. Next time your partner's upset, try this 3-step reset. 1. I get why you'd feel that way. Validation first. 2. What would help most right now? Let them guide. 3. Then, if they ask, offer solutions only when invited. 2 decisions. When logic alone stalls you. People who can't feel emotions struggle to make choices, even with perfect data. Next time you're stuck, don't just ask, "What makes sense?" Ask, "What feels right?" 3. Motivation, when should isn't enough. "I should go to the gym" rarely gets you moving. But picturing that post-workout high, that's emotional fuel. Focus on the feeling, not just the plan. Fixing arguments, logic can backfire. When emotions run high, the rational partner often says, "You're overreacting," or checks out. Here's how to break that cycle. Listen to understand, not reply. Say, "I hear you. That sounds exhausting." If overwhelmed, don't disappear. Say, "I need 10 minutes to calm down so I can really hear you." Skip, "You're being irrational." Ask, "Help me understand why this hurts so much." Because in relationships, feeling heard is the real fix. Making better decisions, logic plus emotion. 1. Pause. Ask, "Am I excited? Anxious? Why?" 2. Write the facts. Pros, cons, costs. 3. Check your gut. Ask, "Is this fear useful or just noise?" 4. Meet in the middle. But the best choices feel right and make sense. Like, "This job pays well and fits my values." Your emotions aren't roadblocks, they're part of your GPS. Work with them, not against them. You'll argue less, decide faster, and finally follow through. Try this today. The 10-10 rule. Ask, "Will this still matter in 10 days? 10 weeks? 10 months?"